Wednesday, August 16th, 2023, 10:30 a.m. What we're going to do is we are starting a fresh combine, okay? Well, it's a reset, but it's a fresh combine. We're starting with 150,000. We're gonna look to get funded and work with the process together, showing you the good and the bad and the ugly. Today will be day one, Wednesday, August 16th, 2023, 10:30 a.m. So right now what we're gonna do is we're going to go short 3 contracts. 1, 2, and 3, okay? So we shorted one at 44.57 and a half, one at 44.58, one at 44.58 and a half. And it is 10:30 a.m., Wednesday, August 16th, 2023. So now, very important to put a stop on all 3. Let's look at the charts to figure out where our stop will be. Here's the daily chart, the 1-day chart, literally sitting just on the support resistance line you see right there. Okay, let's look at the 1-hour chart. Okay, we see we did break down and then bounced up above the all the lows here, and then above the green and the yellow line, and now we're literally sitting on the blue line, a little under it. So let's see if it breaks down or not. Okay, now let's look at the 30-minute chart. Okay, we hit the support resistance lines, came back down under it, and now we're literally in between the support resistance lines and the other moving averages. 15-minute. Okay, 15-minute, we did have we had a breakdown underneath all the moving averages, then we went above the moving averages, and now we're sitting on top of the first support resistance line. So let's see what happens there. The 5-minute. Okay, the 5-minute, we see basically market that looks like it's ready to go down. Could be a potential head and shoulders, literally sitting under the green and yellow line right now. Let's look at the 1-minute chart. Okay, so what I think we'll do, let's look at this level here. I think we'll put in our stop at 67 and a half for all 3, okay? That's gonna be our stop, 67 and a half, which is just above the high of the day. So we have a 67 and a quarter high, 44 and a quarter low, and right now we are at 44.56. Let's see what happens. Wednesday, August 16th, 2023, 3:12 p.m. We're going to get out of the market. Give me a moment and we will do that. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and we are out. Let's cancel all our orders. Let's put this at 0 and let's talk. So we have a high of 44.67 and a quarter, a low of 44.24 and a quarter. We are up $4,950 on the day gross. Okay, we if you take out commissions, that'll be whatever it is, a few dollars, $15 or something, whatever it is, a little less than that. So now, let's look at the charts. Here's the daily chart. Okay, it's loading right now. Okay, and you see we broke through all the moving averages. Well, the red one we didn't break through, and the last support resistance line, we're literally sitting right on it. But we did break through the green, the yellow, the pink, the first white one, you know, in the last week or 2. So this is critical. If it doesn't stay above this support line, there could be a massive sell-off coming in the next few weeks or so. So that's that. Now let's look at the hourly chart, and you see a complete breakdown. You see that first it broke down, went up to the, the red, the moving average, and then boom, collapsed. So there you go there on the 1 hour, under all the moving averages, the 30-minute, it's under all of them, the 15-minute, going through this very fast. The 5-minute here, also breaking down under everything. And we could have actually sat to take more profits, but the thing is, we could discuss this another day, but The combine has certain regulations of how much you can make per day, and we're actually ahead. So now our profit target's going to be raised from 9,000 to a little bit more. But if we would have even made more money, it would have been raised as well. But you can look into that. But that's the story right now. We went in at 44.57.5 and 44.58 and 58.5, and we got out at 25.25, 25 and 24.75. Let's just put the orders on here real quick, and then we'll call it a wrap. Here we go, and these are the orders. Okay, so we went short right here. Okay, and it's been a really vicious market. Like, even though it's been going mostly down, look at those up moves. This can really shake you out, and it took a lot of patience and perseverance to sit through this. And that's why sometimes profits disappear, because we look for the big moves, and sometimes the market changes trends. But that's what the 1 minute chart looked like. That's where we went in, that's where we went out. Here's the 5 minute chart. Okay, so you see, this is where we went short, where all these X's are right there, up there, and this is where we covered. Okay, let's look at the 15 minute. Okay, there you go. Again, you see, right, hit those support resistance lines, and then boom, fell, collapsed. So that is the story. So we are out. Beautiful day. This is Wednesday, Aug 16, 2023, 3:15 p.m.